선생님들 안녕하세요.
Greetings, I'm Professor Park Chang-ju.
오늘은
Today I'm going to talk about lower anterior case. Lower anterior cases are more difficult to treat than thought because the ridge is thin and the cortical bone is quite hard, leading to difficulty in drilling. The patient of the day is 80-year-old female patient.
30일,
In the pre-op panoramic image, you can see that there is a number 31 and 41 missing. In this case, the space for placing 2 implants is insufficient. So only 1 implant was placed in number 41. Mesial pontic or cantilever design was utilized.
캔틸리버처럼 진행하도록 하겠습니다.
You may be able to place single body or MS implant, but in my case, I prefer 2-body 3.0 diameter implant because you can have different options in the prosthodontic phase. The key point in this case is as shown. First, you need to think about how to place implant in lower anterior zone where the bone is thin and limited. Second, as shown, you can utilize a OneMS kit in placing narrow diameter implants. Please note that how this was utilized. Third, please take note of how immediate loading was done, which is one of the biggest advantages of digital dentistry. See how provisionals were delivered. Now let us watch the surgical clip.
어머니, 물 들어가세요. 괜찮으시죠? 트랩을 입어버리고. 햄버거 좀 어머님 살짝살짝 얼굴 밀어 꽉 물어보세요. 아이 보세요. 어머님 살짝 물어보세요. 살짝 물어보세요. 어금니로 물어보세요. 네. 살짝살짝. 어금니 닿아요 안 닿아요 어머니? 닿아요? 무시고요. 어머님 여기저기 비벼보세요. 잘하셨어요. 아. 어떻게 보셨는지 모르겠어요.
Did you enjoy the clip?
사실 OneMS를
The surgery was simple because OneMS was used. If I had done drilling after doing flap reflection, it would have taken much longer. This is post-op panoramic image.
수술 후 파노라마
You can see that the implant was precisely placed in number 41 and provisional prosthesis was delivered.
어버트먼트 임시 버처물까지
This is pre-op cone beam CT.
수술 전
CT checker was used to check the position ahead before surgery.
미리 CT 체커를
This is CT checker for OneMS.
OneMS용 CT 체커입니다. 수술 후
If you look at surgical result, the implant was placed accurately.
임플란트가 들어간 것이 관찰됩니다. 정리해
Let's summarize.
첫 번째,
First,
하악 전치
you can get real advantage in utilizing guided surgery for lower anterior. By doing this, you can avoid drilling deviations.
부러지는 경우가 많기 때문입니다. 그리고
Positioning the implant in accurate position can be more difficult than thought.
어려운 부위이기도 합니다. 두 번째,
Second, please take note of how OneMS kit was utilized.
OneMS
drill
스트레이트 드릴이기 때문에
are mostly straight drill.
짧은 것 8.5,
Short one is 8.5, long one is 10.
8.5
You use 8.5 and then 10. You need to gradually use the different sizes. By forming the drill hole incrementally, you can prevent drill slipping and can place the implant in an accurate manner. Third,
좁은 부위에서
in
임플란트 하나
tight
놓고
space,
바로
implant was
로딩,
placed and immediate loading was done.
올리는 디지털 임플란트 서저리.
Please take note of the real advantages as observed through digital
어떻게
dentistry.
보셨는지 모르겠습니다.
Please let me know your thoughts on it. Many people can have different opinions. Please feel free to raise your opinions and press like if you have the time.
다음에는
I'll introduce another interesting case yet again in the next lecture.